Hi, this is day number 2 of the wild and crazy. Just kidding. That's the guitar playing this here. I have a monkey. It is a monkey. It's like a bird, you know. It's like, jump on my bed. Ow! That hurts. What if I just like here? I'm gonna go like this, do my hair like this, back. Just kidding, that feels really funny. And it is back! No! Oh my god! Look at you! Ah, it's a clown! Run from it! And it's a koala! Oh, no, no. Oh, now it's me. Hey, where'd it go? Oh, look, there I am again. Oh, so cool. I'm gonna be on TV watch. Hey, you little minions! I see you! I see you! I come in peace. I am taking over your land. Hello, everybody in the theater. You little old lady over there. You really hot guy over there with the sexy abs. Oh, look, there, it's me again. Watch, watch, watch. Oh, look, there's 2 of me. Who would have thought? Look. All I see is my hands. Look. Isn't that awesome? Oh, look. Look at it. It looks funny. Look at my head's really little. Oh, look. I have a big boob over here. Oh man, that's good. Oh, look, there's little bubbles of me. Look. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, well, guess that's it for today. Remember, guys, ideas. I need lots of ideas. Lots and lots of ideas of what I'm gonna do. Because I can't do this on my own. Thanks, guys. Ideas! I need that.